Meet the Defender OCTA Black, a full black edition of Land Rover's most capable machine. With over 30 components finished in satin or gloss black, it delivers a striking and assertive presence, from tow hooks to quad exhaust tips. Beneath its bold exterior is a 635 horsepower twin-turbo V8 with mild hybrid technology. The advanced 6D dynamic suspension and OCTA Mode push performance further, on-road or far off it. Inside, the OCTA Black introduces a new level of rugged elegance. Ebony Semi-Aniline Leather meets Kvadrat fabric, detailed with exclusive stitching and perforation. The performance seats are not just supportive, they let you feel the music thanks to Subpack's vibro-acoustic technology and the 700-watt Meridian sound system. This is the tallest, widest, and most refined Defender to date, engineered for those who want commanding power and design in one dramatic package.